Monica again from Acevacuums. At Acevacuums, we specialize in Sebo vacuum repair, service, and maintenance. Our Sebo technicians are trained to diagnose and fix all Sebo vacuum models, ensuring that your machine continues to provide powerful suction and durability for years to come. Whether your Sebo vacuum has lost suction, needs a belt replacement, or requires motor repairs, we repair them at Ace Vacuums. Why choose Ace Vacuum stores for Sebo repair? When searching for a Sebo repair store, you need a trusted repair center that understands the intricacies of Sebo vacuums. Here's why Ace Vacuum stores are the best choice. Experienced Sebo repair technicians. Our team is highly trained to handle all Sebo vacuum models. Genuine Sebo parts. We use only authentic Sebo belts, filters, hoses, and motor parts to ensure long-lasting performance. Fast and reliable service. Most repairs are completed within 24 to 48 hours at our Sebo repair store. Affordable pricing, competitive rates with transparent pricing, no hidden fees. Warranty repair services. As an authorized repair center, we handle Sebo warranty repairs at select Ace Vacuum stores. Comprehensive vacuum maintenance. We don't just fix the issue, we perform a full checkup to prevent future problems. At our Sebo repair store, we provide expert solutions for loss of suction blocked filters, clogged hoses, or worn out motors can reduce suction. Our technicians will restore your vacuum's power. Brush roller, not spinning. If your Sebo's brush roller isn't working, it might need a belt replacement or motor service. Strange noises or vibrations, rattling or unusual sounds could indicate loose parts or motor issues. Vacuum won't turn on. Electrical problems or overheating can cause power failures. We'll diagnose and repair the issue. Unpleasant odors, a dirty filter, or dust buildup can cause musty smells. Our deep cleaning service eliminates odors. Filter and bag replacement. Keeping your Sebo vacuum running efficiently requires regular filter and bag changes. Sebo models we repair at Ace Vacuum stores. Sebo Automatic X Series, X4, X7, X8, Sebo Felix Series, Sebo Airbelt K Series, Sebo Airbelt D Series, Sebo Essential G Series, Sebo Dart, Sebo Mechanical Series, Sebo E Series canisters. No matter which Sebo model you own, our Ace Vacuum stores have the expertise to repair and maintain it efficiently. Visit Ace Vacuums.